Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a photo in Canva, whether you're on the app or using it on your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get your photos into any Canva design, making your project stand out with your own personal touch. And don't worry, this is going to be super simple and straightforward, so let's jump right in together. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up Canva. If you're already on the homepage, you're in the perfect place to start. And if you need to log in, just take a moment to do that now. It's kind of like opening up your sketchpad before you start drawing. You need your workspace ready. Next, once you're in Canva, look for the Create button. This is usually pretty prominent. Think of it as your gateway to starting any new project. Give that a click and you'll see some options. What we want is customize or create a new design. Go ahead and select that. This tells Canva, hey, I'm ready to start something new and I want to work with my own images. Don't worry if it feels like there are a lot of options. You really can't go wrong here and you're just a couple clicks away. Now you should see your new blank design area open up. Over on the left-hand side, there's a panel with different options. This is kind of like your artist's toolbox. What you're looking for here is the upload option. Sometimes it's just a little cloud icon with an arrow. Sometimes it says uploads. It's usually near the top of that left menu. If you don't spot it right away, just take a breath and scan that area because it's always in that left column. Once you click on uploads, a new panel opens up where you have a few options for getting your photos in. Canva gives you a lot of flexibility here, which is really nice. You'll see you can upload files directly from your device, which means any image saved on your phone, tablet, or computer is fair game. You can also connect external accounts like Google Drive, Instagram, even Shopify if you want to pull photos straight from there. That's super handy if most of your images are stored in the cloud or on social platforms. For most people, though, you'll probably just want to upload a photo file from your device. And Canva makes this so easy. You can either drag your image file from your desktop or folder directly into the upload area, just like dropping a photograph onto your workspace. Or if you prefer, click the Upload Files button, navigate to the specific image you want to use, and select it. If you've got multiple images, you can upload several at once, so don't worry if you want to use a few. You might see a little progress bar pop up as your image uploads. Larger photos can take a few moments, especially if your internet is a bit slow, so don't panic if it doesn't appear instantly. Once it's done, you'll see your photo in the Uploads area, ready to be dragged right onto your design. And that's it, you've just uploaded your own photo to Canva. From here, you can add it to your design, resize it, crop it, or edit it however you like. It's your creative canvas, so have fun. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or have other questions. I'm always here to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Canva.